Barbara O'Neill's natural remedy to heal bone instantly. Nearly half of adults over 50 are at risk of breaking a bone due to poor bone health. As we age, our bones naturally lose density, making them more fragile. Today, we're revealing the shocking secrets to keeping your bones healthy. Secrets doctors rarely talk about. Welcome to NUTRIZEN. This video is created with expert consultation from a certified nutritionist and is intended for educational purposes only. Whether you're new here or a loyal supporter, thank you for being part of this health community. Let's dive into how you can protect your bones and ensure lifelong strength. The silent risk of osteoporosis. Osteoporosis affects millions, leading to brittle bones and a higher risk of fractures. You might not know that bone density can start decreasing in your 30s, with no symptoms until it's too late. Research shows over 200 million people globally are affected by osteoporosis, often without realizing it. Why sunlight is key? Sunlight isn't just about getting a tan, it's crucial for your bones. When ultraviolet rays hit your skin, they convert cholesterol into vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't properly use calcium, no matter how much you consume. Shockingly, 30% of adults are deficient in vitamin D, putting them at higher risk for fractures and conditions like osteoporosis. So the next time you think about skipping sunlight, remember, your bones need it. The calcium myth. We've all heard that calcium is the key to strong bones, but it's not the whole truth. Bones aren't just made of calcium. They're made of 12 essential minerals and 64 trace elements, including magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. In fact, calcium supplements without enough magnesium can do more harm than good. They can harden soft tissues like arteries instead of strengthening your bones. Foods like dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains provide both calcium and magnesium, making them much better for bone health. Magnesium, the unsung hero. Magnesium is just as important as calcium for strong bones. It helps convert vitamin D into its active form, which aids in calcium absorption. Without enough magnesium, your bones can weaken, and your risk of osteoporosis increases. Magnesium-rich foods, like spinach, almonds, and avocados, are key to maintaining healthy bones. Why you need sea minerals? Here's a surprising fact. The minerals found in sea salt mirror the mineral balance in your body. Sea salts like Celtic and Himalayan salt contain essential minerals like magnesium and potassium, which are vital for bone health. Unlike regular table salt, these salts provide the trace minerals your bones need to stay strong. Getting vitamin D without sun. If you can't get enough sunlight, don't worry. Foods like salmon, tuna, and fortified cereals are excellent sources of vitamin D. You can also take a vitamin D supplement to ensure your body gets what it needs. Debunking calcium supplements. Did you know that calcium supplements might actually hurt your bones? Dr. Robert Thompson, author of The Calcium Lie, reveals an important truth. These supplements can lead to calcium deposits in your arteries. This increases your risk of heart disease. Instead of relying on supplements, eat calcium-rich foods like kale, broccoli, and almonds. Jane Fonda's success story. Jane Fonda, known for her fitness routines, has long promoted the importance of bone health. Even in her 80s, she maintains her bone density with strength training, sunlight exposure, and a diet rich in magnesium. Fonda proves that with the right habits, you can keep your bones strong no matter your age. Your bone health is in your hands. By understanding the role of minerals like magnesium and the importance of sunlight, you can take important steps to keep your bones strong. It's also crucial to recognize the risks of calcium supplements to maintain healthy bones. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. It fuels our passion to create more helpful content just for you.